Yep, there's a stream. And this is in Vogel State Park. Cabins in the background. Covered bridge. Covered walkway. Not a car bridge. They still have the putt-putt.
What I see, I do.
Gabby? Gabby!
Gabby, look.
Gabby! Right here! Right here! Say hi! You're gonna be on YouTube! Except I can't post it now out of here. Let's see Trixie. Look at her. Trixie! Look at that doggy. She wouldn't get in even near. She wouldn't get in the pool at Mom and Dad's. She wouldn't get in on the steps. Now she's right in there walking around. Alright, I'll shoot a different one here in a minute.